Substitution effect on aromatic electrophilic reactions. Very important topic today. If benzene have no any substituent, then simple aromatic substitution will occur. For example, during nitration, one hydrogen atom of the aromatic ring is replaced by the nitro group. In the presence of sulfuric acid and aromatic nitro compound, a nitrobenzene is formed. Similarly, the unsubstituted benzene during sulfonation, the one hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by the sulfonic acid group. Benzene sulfonic acid is produced. And during halogenation, the one hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by the halogen atom. Therefore, the aromatic halide is produced in the presence of aluminum chloride as catalyst. During Friedel-Crafts reaction, one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by the alkyl group. Therefore, alkyl benzene is formed. So these are the simple aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions in which the aromatic one hydrogen atom from any position is removed. These reactions can be represented in this way. The aromatic ring is substituted with nitro group during nitration, sulfonic acid group during sulfonation, halogen atom during halogenation, and alkyl group during Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Today our topic is substituent effect. Substituent effect on a benzene ring affect electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. There are the two ways in which the substituent can affect the aromatic substitution. The first one is the reactivity and the second one is orientation. The substituent may activate the benzene ring. Therefore, the benzene will react more faster than the benzene itself. Or some substituent are in this way deactivate the benzene ring. Therefore, benzene will react slower than the benzene itself. The reactivity is affected by two ways. Either the substituent can activate the benzene ring or deactivate the benzene ring. And the second factor which can be caused by substituent is the orientation. Some substituent incoming groups direct ortho and para position only, and some substituent will direct the incoming group to meta position only. Therefore, we can say that the orientation is also of two ways: the ortho-para directing groups or ortho-para direction and the meta direction. For example, toluene is an ortho-para directing group. Whenever toluene reacts with benzene, the incoming group goes to the ortho and para positions. Therefore, the incoming substituent moves towards the ortho and para position. However, the other substituent like sulfonic acid group or any substituent which can attack on the benzene ring, the incoming group goes to the ortho-para positions. So we can say that the toluene is ortho-para directing group during nitration. The incoming group attached to the ortho and para position. During sulfonation, the sulfonic acid group also attached to ortho and para position. And during halogenation or bromination, the halogen atom goes to ortho and para position. So we can say that ortho-para directing groups makes the benzene reaction faster. And these groups are also known as activating groups as well. Similarly, nitrobenzene, we will take the example of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is a deactivating group. During this deactivation, the incoming group goes to the meta direction only. For example, nitrobenzene when react with the nitric acid and sulfuric acid mixture, the meta dinitrobenzene will be formed. Similarly, during the sulfonation of the nitrobenzene, the incoming group goes to the meta directing. That is, the sulfonic acid group goes to the meta direction. Similarly, when the nitrobenzene is made to react with another halogen, the halogen also goes to the meta direction, and the product formed is chloronitro metachloronitrobenzene. These groups made benzene less reactive. Therefore, these reactions carried out with the slower rate than the benzene itself. Thus, we have observed that the methyl group activates the benzene ring towards electrophilic aromatic substitution and direct substitution to ortho and para positions. However, the nitro group is meta-directing. It deactivates the benzene ring towards electrophilic aromatic substitution and directs the substitution to the meta position only. Here, the list in which the common substituent groups and their effect on electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions are given below. The list include at the top of the electron donating groups like amino group, primary amines, secondary amines, hydroxyl group, alkoxy group, so on. And in the bottom of the list, the nitro group, the quaternary amines, cyano group, carboxylic group, acetal linkages are present. These are the meta-directing groups. As we move upward in the list, the intensity for ortho-para directing group increases. However, when we move downward in the group, the intensity towards meta direction increases. So hence we can say that the groups present at the top of the list are the ortho-para directing groups. These are the ortho-para directing groups. However, the groups which are present at the bottom of the list, they are the meta directing groups. Now let us see the substituent groups and their effect on electrophilic aromatic substitution. This is an alkoxy group bonded to benzene. Alkoxy group is an ortho-para directing group. When the halogenation of alkoxy benzene or anisole occur, the halogen group move to ortho and para position, and this reaction proceeds with the faster rate. Similarly, when the aldehyde group is bonded to the benzene, aldehyde group is a deactivating group and it is also meta-directing. Therefore, the nitration of benzaldehyde to meta position occurs with slower than the benzene itself. It means that the substituted benzene react with the nitro group slower than the benzene. Similarly, when the sulfonation of bromobenzene is carried, bromobenzene is also the ortho-para directing group, but the halogens have more electronegativities. Therefore, their substituent effect is the ortho-para directing, but they will make the benzene less reactive. The substituent goes to ortho-para position, but with the slower rate, and this slow rate is due to the high electronegativity of halogen atoms. Halogens are ortho-para directing group, but these group deactivate the benzene ring due to their high electronegativities or due to their electronic effect. If there is more than one group on benzene ring, then the group that is more activating, that is higher on the list, will direct the next substitution to ortho-para direction. So little or no substitution between groups that the meta can occur. And this can be explained with the help of following example. In this reaction, you see that benzene is bonded with alkyl group, which is ortho-para directing, and the OH group, which is also ortho-para directing group. The group which is higher in the list, the hydroxyl group is higher in the list than the alkyl group. Therefore, the next incoming group or halogen goes to the ortho position from the OH group rather than the alkyl group. So we see that the group that is more activating or higher on the list will direct the next substitution to ortho para direction. Similarly, in case of the amide and the alkyl group, the amide group is higher in the list and is more activating group than the methyl group or alkyl group. Therefore, the nitration is occur, the nitro group goes to the ortho position from the amide group rather than the alkyl group. And in case of the carbonyl or formyl group and the anisole group, in this case, the deactivating capacity of formyl group is more. Therefore, the ortho substituted halogen chlorine is formed with more rate as compared to the anisole or alkyl groups. So we can say that the order is important in orientation and synthesis. For example, consider the synthesis of meta-nitrobenzene from benzene. And if we want to prepare meta-nitrobenzene from benzene, first of all, nitration of benzene is carried with the nitrated mixture to get nitrobenzene, and the nitrobenzene is then treated with halogen. Therefore, the bromo group goes to the meta position since nitro group is deactivated. And if, however, we can synthesize para-bromo nitrobenzene from benzene, then we will first carry out the halogenation of the benzene to get bromobenzene, and then the nitration is carried, and during nitration the bromobenzene produces ortho-para nitrobenzene. So we can say that the meta-bromobenzene is only produced when the nitration is first carried out and then halogenation. However, for preparation or synthesis of para-bromo nitrobenzene, first halogenation is carried out, then the nitration. Therefore, order is important in orientation and synthesis. What do substituent groups on aromatic or benzene ring affect the reactivity and orientation? So we have observed that the substituent or monosubstituted aromatic ring, the substituent causes the two main effects. These effects are electronic effects, pushing or pulling of electrons by the substituent. Electron can be donated or withdrawn by atoms or group of atoms by induction and resonance. So we see that the groups that can increases the reactivity or decreases the reactivity of benzene ring causes the pushing or pulling of the electrons. And these pushing and pulling of electron by atoms causes the induction, and induction is due to difference in electronegativity, and resonance due to delocalization of the pi electron. So let us see some examples. Here the ammonia and its derivatives are given. The first one is ammonia, next is primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. The nitrogen in ammonia, primary amine and secondary amine have an unshared pair of electron on the nitrogen atom. Therefore, the resonance or the electron donating groups causes the stronger resonance effect and the inductive effect is smaller. Therefore, these groups cause the activation of the benzene ring and are ortho-para directing groups. However, in case of the quaternary amines, the positively charged nitrogen atom has strong inductive effect. Therefore, it withdraws the pi electron from the benzene ring. Therefore, the benzene ring becomes the electron deficient and the deactivates the ring, and no ortho-para substitution occur, only the meta substitution occur. Similarly, in case of hydroxyl group, alkoxy group and the amide group, the unshared pair electron on the oxygen atom or nitrogen atom causes the electron donating resonance effect. This electron donating resonance effect made the benzene ring more active, and the substitution takes place at the ortho and para positions. Let us take some other example. Whenever the aryl group is present, alkyl group is present, and halogen is present, the aryl group has also electron donating resonance effect. The alkyl group has also electron donating resonance effect. However, the halogen atoms are more electronegative than the carbon atom, therefore called the withdrawal of electron, and this withdrawal of electron causes strong inductive effect, and this strong inductive effect will decrease the reactivity of the benzene. Once again, see the substituent groups and their effect on reactivity. The amine group, hydroxyl group, alkoxy group, amide group, aryl group, alkyl group have stronger electron donating capacity, and these groups made the benzene ring very reactive. However, the group like nitro, quaternionamine, cyano, carboxylic, sulfonic, aldehydic halogens, they have the also electron, unshared electron, but they have the more electron withdrawing inductive effect or electron withdrawing resonance effect. Therefore, they will decrease the reactivity of benzene, and the benzene become the meta-directing in the presence of these groups. Electron donating group usually causes the benzene ring more reactive, except halogens. The halogens are electron donating groups, but made the benzene ring due to strong inductive effect less reactive. Therefore, the benzene is the meta-directing. Electron donating groups activate the benzene ring to electrophilic aromatic substitution. Therefore, the incoming electrophile will attach to the electron-rich position of ortho and para positions, whereas the electron withdrawing groups decreases the electron density and ortho and para position in the arenaamine. Therefore, they will attach only to the meta position. Let us see some examples of relating this one. The trifluoromethane methyl group is electron withdrawing. Therefore, this group is strongly deactivating group, and meta directing groups is similarly the phosphonium group are electron withdrawing, and it is also the deactivating group, meta directing. However, phosphine group is electron donating group. It is the activating group and direct the incoming substituent to ortho para positions. Now see the mechanism for electrophilic substitution. First of all, the electrophile attack on the benzene ring to form arenaamine. The arenaamine gets stabilized due to resonance, and in the final step, the arenaamine loses the proton and it will convert it into stable molecule. So if simply G is electron donating group, the ortho para directing these structures are stable. And similarly, the mechanism for ortho meta para directing during aromatic attack for the second incoming group. The second incoming group, when goes to ortho para position, the substituent attached to ortho position and in the para position in this way. And when the electron withdrawing group are present, the substituent goes to the meta position in this way. Thus, we can say that electron donating groups direct incoming groups towards ortho para position in aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions, since electron donating group stabilizes the intermediate carbocation for ortho and para positions in aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. And simply we can write in this way: the electron donating group will increases electron density at ortho para position, and if in case of, however, electron withdrawing group, the ortho para substituent group is unstable and this product will not be formed. So the electron withdrawing groups direct meta position in aromatic electrophilic substitutions. Electron withdrawing group destabilizes the aromatic carbocations for ortho and para position in aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. References. Thank you.